Still owned by the same family as when the company was founded, we're now into the third generation. Quick turnaround in new jobs. Depending on the complexity of the product, we're able to go from idea to moulding within 8 weeks. We're more than happy to mould anything from 50 mouldings up to hundreds of thousands of parts. Investing in modern machinery and ancillary equipment has meant we've been able to keep our prices competitive, even lowering the prices in some cases. This is down to our machines being more energy efficient as well as being able to reduce our cycle times. The reason we are different from our competitors is that we're able to run our machines 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, unmanned. We've invested heavily in automation over the last few years. The jobs that we aren't able to automate can still run overnight. These are then packed up the next day by our operators. This reduces the labour cost of the job as well as enabling us to gain more capacity on our machines.